After the successful sellout of its Tower 1 even before its launch, Emaar Properties is now launching Beach Vista Tower 2 at Emaar Beachfront. The 26-story building is located in Dubai Harbor, the next biggest marina development in the Middle East. The residences are available in 1, 2, and 3-bedroom luxury apartments with unobstructed views of Palm Jumeirah, Burj Al Arab, and other iconic Dubai destinations. This smart design tower provides the finest amenities, including a luxurious infinity pool. Each apartment features floor-to-ceiling windows, generous balconies, and outstanding Miami-style interiors, all ensuring comfort and serenity. Plus, enjoy exclusive beach access and the wealth of dining and entertainment options, all within the integrated neighborhood. Beach Vista Tower 2 units are expected to sell out fast, so book now.